think I can jump on the rocks, I hope. Lower back is destroyed, so I have 2 weeks sick leave. Mesna elva in Little Hammer. It's actually quite cold today. Here you can see they sacrifice dolls. I forgot the selfie stick that I never use. Another crossroad. Need to gain altitude. Altitude. Well, my English is not perfect. Maybe the view back down. Fantastic. Okay. Here is the 7 falls, well, waterfalls, I guess. I see 2. Or 7, I don't know. Maybe I destroyed my GoPro. I forgot that when that my side lock is off, so the GoPro is actually not waterproof. I think it's still working. And here they try to make a dam. So my future videos will be a combination of driving and exploring. Well, when I get the license, so then I can be more free and drive longer and explore everything, whatever I want. Selfie or thumbnail. This is going up. It's really good to walk on uneven ground when your back is fucked. But my stamina is not good today. Heaven Foss or something. Am I recording? You know that YouTuber who always said that? Baldi. This house once owned by a psychic crazy guy or something. So far I've been walking, yeah, you can see that, I think 1,400 meters, okay. I used 30 minutes. It's kind of slow, but yeah. I think we go this way. The house I was talking about is made of Marcello Haugen. He was psychic and a nature doctor. And it says it's a private property, so I can't go there. Because I get killed, I think. Murdered in the forest. I'm going to Kroken. Oh, a bench. I think I'm gonna eat my big lunch. And that's one banana. So let's clean up. Hello. Let's go. Keep on moving. And there is the garbage. I'm actually taking on heading back and cross the river because the trail on the other side looks much more fun than this trail. Maybe I die. I think I can jump on the rocks, I hope. I wish I had my selfie stick. Yeah. Is it an old bridge? I'm not sure. Because you got these metal poles. I've been walking for 1 hour and now I'm kinda in the forest, but I should get to a water. It's really quiet here. If I don't find the lake I'm looking for soon, I have to turn around, I think. Here I actually see a clearing. Maybe I'm at my goal. What the hell? Hello, ducks. I'm actually a duck talker, whisper. Yeah. So this was my goal. It's a dam. Last time I was up here was kind of 20 years ago, so they have done everything new. I used, I don't know if you can see that, 1 hour and 60 minutes up here, 3,500 meters. If you want to see more stuff like this, you can give it a like. Let's go down. "35 minutes fast walk."